How to use ChatGPT to set questions. Open the ChatGPT using the URL https://chat.openai.com. The query says, make 5 multiple choice questions on the topic creativity to assess high school students. Each question should have 4 options, 3 wrong and 1 correct choice. Let's highlight the query, copy it to the clipboard, paste it inside send a message box. Now hit enter or the send message box button to allow ChatGPT to search and populate 5 multiple choice questions. In the twinkle of an eye, ChatGPT displayed the results in an impressive manner. Let's utilize education technology tools to help meet deadlines. TechTricksGh.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.